This is Joe with US Sander, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to install one of these CL38B Sinpac replacement switches in place of a regular Sinpac switch. The procedure for this is going to be the same regardless of your motor, provided you do have a Sinpac switch installed. If you have a different type of switch installed, don't follow this instruction. The first thing we want to do is discharge these capacitors. They will carry a charge, and that's enough to hit you with a voltage. It feels like a static shock. So use a resistor or a screwdriver to discharge your capacitors by shorting across the two terminals. If you look at your new switch, the numbers are not in the same order as the old one. We want to go by the number, not the order it is on this switch. So we'll start with taking the wire off terminal 1 and put it on terminal 1 on the new switch. Then take the wire off terminal 2. That goes to 2 on our new switch. Likewise for 3. And lastly for number 4. It's usually a good idea to wrap these wires with some electrical tape. Do the same on your capacitors. A lot of times I see those wires come off when people go to put them in the box because you're typically pulling on the wires a little bit as you try to fit everything back in here. So a little electrical tape wrapped around will prevent that problem.